After the lying in state, the funeral service for the late Dr. William Temple was held in Canterbury Cathedral, where only 2.5 years ago he had been enthroned as the 96th Archbishop. The Dean of Canterbury, Dr. Hewlett Johnson, read part of the service, standing between the former Archbishop of Canterbury, Lord Lang of Lambeth, right of the picture, and Dr. Garbutt, Archbishop of York.
And believeth in me shall never die.
Grant unto him eternal rest. We believe verily to see the goodness of the Lord.
Then, during the singing of a hymn, the Archbishop's chaplain takes the pastoral staff from the bier and hands it to the Dean, who lays it on the high altar. In the sudden passing of Dr. Temple at the age of 63, the Church and his country have lost a great man whose brilliant career and outstanding quality and character so eminently fitted him for his high office.